Hi faithful caregiver. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal, but first of all I have two things that I want to share with you. First of all, would you please like and subscribe my channel? I always forget to ask y'all to do that, and I thought I'm going to do that the very first thing this time on the video because that would really help me and I would appreciate it greatly. The second thing is this. There's been something personal going on in our family's life for 7 years that I've never shared with you, but Price is on my mind a lot, especially today. For whatever reason, I feel like I need to share that with you. Price is my youngest grandson, and he's 10 years old, and he has battled stage 4 neuroblastoma cancer for 7 years. And I just thought maybe there's someone out there that would pray for Price, P-R-Y-C-E. And if you would do that, I would greatly appreciate that. I know I don't normally share personal things like that, but you know what? We are community and we are to share our burdens with each other, and that of course has been a burden in our life. But he is a joyful child. So if you think of Price, please pray for him. Okay, on to the video. What I'm going to do today is ask you 4 questions. Instead of me talking about a subject matter, I'm going to ask you some questions that I would really appreciate if you would take the time to answer in the comments section. And that way, anyone in our community that reads your responses, they can answer you if they have a solution for these questions, or they can at least encourage you. So it's a little different, but I think it's going to be helpful for everybody. The first thing is this. What is the hardest aspect or problem that you deal with when you're taking care of your dementia loved one? One of Mom's issues, of course, was sleeping all night. She just had a struggle with that. So there were things that I did, and that's in another video, that made that a little bit easier, but that was a struggle for us. So what struggle is it that you and your dementia loved one have the most? Is it them or is it yourself that has a struggle? Okay, the second question is this. What is it in your day that brings you joy? What little or big thing in your day is it that brings you joy? Mine was if Mom would smile. When my mom would smile, that just made me happy that she could still give me a smile. Okay, now the third thing is this. What is it that you wish you had done earlier while taking care of your dementia loved one than you did? What do you wish that you had just done a little bit sooner in this journey of dementia care? And the fourth question is this. What is it that I've not discussed with you that you'd like me to discuss with you? What subject have I not talked about that maybe would be helpful to you in some way? Thank you for taking time to do this, to answer these questions, because I know how busy you are, but I really appreciate it. And thank you as always for taking care of your dementia loved one. God bless you and stay true.